As a busy mom, there are foods I cook in bulk to make my life very easy, reduce stress, and also makes cooking very fun and enjoyable. One of them is this: cooking beans in bulk. I usually cook and allow it to stay the next day. So if you suffer from bloating after eating beans, you might want to give this method a try. This is how I portion it and transfer in my freezer. That way we can enjoy beans any day, anytime. I don't like cooking beans and eating it the same day. I can't handle the smell. It's so strong for me, and also it makes me bloat. You guys, this is my own thing. Please do what works for you. Now I'm going to make my fruit salad. My children requested for it, so I'm going to cut them up, transfer in my fridge, and allow to chill before serving them. I added some lemon juice to stop it from changing color. This is me eating my leftover yam and onion sauce. You guys, this is my food. I don't drag it with any of my family members because there is no fish or meat. So it's kind of boring for them. I enjoyed my meal in peace. Sometimes I crave this type of local food. I don't know about you. I will be making chicken stew, so I have already washed my hard chicken. I will take the much I will be using for the stew and store the rest in the freezer. Now I'm going to season my chicken with my preferred spices, cover and allow to cook until soft. You guys, hard chicken takes longer time to cook than soft chicken. Once that is done, grill, fry, or none of the above. I'll proceed by making my stew. I've already shared this recipe, so I'm going to add my onions and curry leaves, tomato paste, and my cooked tomato. Fry until it is well fried. Add the stock and the chicken. Stir, cover, and allow to cook until done. Once that is done, I will portion it, and that's it.